Hello everybody, this video is going to be about getting an export from ClickUp. So for you to get an export, obviously you'll have to navigate into the relevant folder, list or the space. So I'm going to get an export from the projects folder. So this is my workspace, test workspace, and I'm clicking on the projects folder here, which is inclusive of two other lists inside it. So if I was to get an export, I need to make sure that all my filters are cleared and I have collapsed all of the lists down so that I can see all of the tasks in the list. So now you'll have to go and click on the three dots here next to the show icon. Click on that, click on export, and you will see the drop down segregated into four parts. You're always advised to click on all columns. That way the export can be used properly by cleaning things up, and everything that ClickUp has to offer can be seen. And then let's say if you have custom fields, which I will get into a little later, you can also see those columns. CSV is a versatile format with all applications. Go with the normal date format unless you have specifications. Whatever time format you are interested in. And then total time and status is self-explanatory. It's the statuses you have assigned for the particular tickets, or you move them to different statuses. So the export can show you the current only status or the status they've been in throughout the period of the ticket for a period of time at the time of the export. So you click on download. Once you've downloaded it, two things will happen. Number one is it will come into your downloads folder. Number two, you will receive an email to your inbox, which will look something like this. This is how the email will look like. You can click on download again. So the file downloads again into your inbox. I'm going to go ahead and open it up. So this is how the export will look like. So it has all the columns that ClickUp already has to offer. As you can see, you have the task name, state as it is in. Since we didn't assign any assignees, it wouldn't show any assignees or priorities. Something important to notice is because I downloaded the export from the folder, it had multiple lists inside it. So you can see how ClickUp mentions the list the task is from over here and over here. Okay. Something that I also wanted to show was the custom fields. So for me to show that, I will show you an example of an export from another workspace that manages an actual project. So that will be this. So as you can see, it's a huge export with lots of tasks and lots of fields. What I mean by lots of fields is, in addition to the ClickUp fields, the custom fields that the project manager would want to add into ClickUp. So for example, this project has fields like epic, and then ticket type, and then modules, and then squad, steps taken, and things like that. So you as an administrator for ClickUp or the project manager for ClickUp can add custom fields which you can later see in the export. So yeah, that brings me to the end of the video. Enjoy using ClickUp.